It's World Watch of 3 class. In last lecture, we discussed about Islamabad. Okay, today we are going to read more about Islamabad. Let's start. The Margala Hills are the foothills of the Himalaya. What means foothills? Foothills, small mountain at the edges of a big mountain. Like that, student. This is mountains and this is foothills of a mountain. Okay, this is Himalaya. This is Himalaya. And this is Margala. This is mountains and this is foothills. This is mountain of Himalayas range and this is Margala Hills in the foothills of Himalayas, and here it is located, like Islamabad here is located. Okay, and here is located Islamabad. Okay, students, now we are going to learn more. Part of the area has been made into a national park. This Margala Hills area is made into a national park. Maybe you listen or maybe you visited Damneko Park. Here's a park of Damneko. Damneko is a national park. What is mean by national park? An area of land that is kept as countryside. Okay, there are rules about what people can do or build there. From permission to government. प्राइवेटली उधर कोई बिल्डिंग, उस पार्क में कोई शॉप या कोई एरिया या कोई या स्विंग्स वगैरह कुछ भी प्राइवेट नहीं हो सकता. जो भी उसमें आपने कंस्ट्रक्शन करनी होती है, इस तरह काम होते हैं, गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से होते हैं, उसे कहते हैं नेशनल पार्क. ओके, सम एनिमल्स फाउंड देयर आर द मंकी, जैकल, विल्ड बेयर, porcupine, pheasant, eagle and the rare Margala leopard. Okay, ये जानवर इधर पाए जाते हैं. Friends, as Islamabad is the capital city, it is home to the President and Prime Minister of Pakistan, Parliament House, the Supreme Court and the embassies of different countries are also located here. Okay, Parliament House. What is Parliament House? The meeting place for the people who rule a country where laws are made and important discussions are taken. Okay, and what is embassies? Offices for official work from the other countries. Okay, it's official offices of other countries. Okay, the business of government take place in Parliament House. Okay, like different discussions, different rules and different laws are made in Parliament House. Okay, fact about the Islamabad. Rawal Lake was created by building a dam on the Korang River. Okay, Rawal Lake is an artificial lake was built to supply Islamabad and Rawalpindi. ये इस्लामाबाद और रावलपिंडी को पानी सप्लाई करने के लिए, वाटर सप्लाई के लिए बनाई गई थी. इट्स बिल्ट इन 1962. ओके, रावल लेक इट्स बिल्ट इन 1962 फॉर सप्लाई वाटर टू इस्लामाबाद एंड रावलपिंडी. ओके, ऑन कोरांग रिवर. द वाटर कम्स फ्रॉम द कोरांग रिवर एंड स्ट्रीम्स फ्रॉम द मार्गला हिल्स. ओके, इट इज़ इन द मार्गला हिल्स नेशनल पार्क. 2 canals run from the dam through the Punjab. Okay, इसको पंजाब, इस डैम को और इसको ये जो कोरांग रिवर है इसको पंजाब की तरफ से पानी सप्लाई किया जाता है. ओके, people go the dam to fish and sail. People go the dam, Rawal Lake Dam, for fish and sail and for picnics. Okay, in this place. It's very beautiful and natural place. Okay students, it's very natural place. It's look like a very beautiful. Islamabad get its water from this lake. Okay, ये बनाई इसीलिए कि इसका मेन मकसद ही यही था कि ये रावलपिंडी और इस्लामाबाद को पानी सप्लाई करे. ओके